Homo sapiens, the wise people, poets, artists, scientists, builders of great cities and farming villages, creators of mind-blowing technologies, all spread out on this blue planet, Earth.
But how did we get here?
And where did we come from? To find our answers, we must look back, deep into the past, before colonization, before country borders were drawn, before the Iron Age, before even humans, to around 6 or 7 million years ago. We must look at the primates, a branch of the mammal family that already included the ancestors of lemurs, monkeys, orangutans, and gorillas. But here, at 6 to 7 million years ago, this branch of primates will split. One branch will lead through time to modern chimpanzees, and the other will lead to us, humans.
The first of our hominid ancestors at 6 million years ago.
Sahelanthropus. They were the first to walk on 2 legs, bipeds, freeing their hands to carry more food. After Sahelanthropus, there appeared many other hominid species, including the Australopithecines, like the Tawung child, Littlefoot, Lucy, and Zinjanthropus. Next, at 2.5 million years ago, we see the appearance of Homo habilis, the handy hominid. They were the first of our ancestors to make tools from stones, and their brains were bigger too. The stone tools, though simple, allowed them to extract nutritious meat and marrow left behind on carcasses by lions and other big cats. Now, at 1.5 million years ago, Homo erectus, the upright pre-human, the first of our ancient ancestors to have human body proportions. Their brain size increased too, larger than Homo habilis, but still smaller than ours. These ancestors were the first to hunt large animals, control fire, and cook their food. Finally, at 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, ourselves, we see the emergence of art, ornamentation, and language.
Boom, boom. Ngam, ngam. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
And it all started right here in Africa.
Africa?
Yes, Africa.
Sahelanthropus first walked on 2 legs in Africa. Homo habilis first crafted stone tools here in Africa. Homo erectus controlled fires first here in Africa. And Homo sapiens first created art, ornamentation, and spoke the earliest languages right here in Africa. All these traits, everything that makes us human, allowed them to spread across the planet and thrive.
But how come we all don't look African?
That's a very good question for our next episode.
Or if you can't wait, visit our website, past.org.za.
Or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.